Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change your age on TikTok. So what you will have to gonna do to this to change your age on TikTok, you will just open the TikTok app on the Android device. So when it's open, you will have to just on the right bottom of profile setting, and you will just scroll down and you will have to just find so report a problem. So when it's open, it will be loading. So when it's open, you have to click the account or profile, and you will just simply you will see there is a editing profile. So there is no mention of to birthday option to change your birthday. So what you will have to do, you will just simply click to other. So yes, it's helpful to me, so I will click to helpful and click to others. So I will describe my issue. So I will write I need to change my birthday date because I got wrong, so I will make that correctly. So I will submit it my problem of issue, so it will be okay. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.